Hello guys, welcome in. Alright, we have for you guys a beautiful 4-room HDB flat for sale at the heart of Bidadari. We are right walking distance to Woodleigh MRT. I'm very excited to show you this well-renovated move-in unit for sale. Alright, so we are in the living room now. The place is well renovated and in move-in condition. Let me tell you what the owner did itself. You can see overall below is cement screed from HDB, but what they did is they applied vinyl across it, giving a very nice warm tone when you come home. On the left side here, beautiful thing that they do, a concealed bomb shelter. Actually, a bomb shelter door sits behind here, and then there's additional storage space. A nice settee to put your wallet and keys when you come home and check yourself out before you go out. Drawer space over here, nice soft curves to make the house more warm. Additional storage space all over here, open cabinets. Living room is very spacious, nice L-shaped sofa with a beautiful unblocked view. Very rare to come by and not facing another HDB block itself. Now if you follow me, one good thing that I really like that the owner did was that they hacked open this room itself to make the whole entire living room more spacious, but at the same time they didn't sacrifice the room because they added this glass siding panels, so if you do want the room back, you can enclose it. Currently now the owner uses it as their work from home setup, his and her study table overlooking a beautiful view. Very nice Zoom call background that you have. So if you want to enclose this up space, definitely easy. If you want to reenact the all, it's also a quick fix. And we move right over here, the owner did an open concept kitchen. Beautiful, nice laminate on the top here. Have a good space for your breakfast and dining area. Important thing is that the owner actually expanded the kitchen a bit further, so you can see that the countertop space actually, you have much more countertop space and storage space. A big sink to easily wash all your pots and pans. Fire stove over here, cupboard space on the top, microwave oven goes here, fridge as well, and then a nice yard area where it comes with a Steigen, already all decked up with a washer and even additional fridge space. So very good for starting young families and also multi-gen families. Alright, step with me to a first common bedroom. Good thing about it, no built-in, no fixtures at all. 4 empty walls, good for you. You can see now this is a little one room, a bed over here. Very decent size, can even put like study. And the good part about this is that actually you can see over here there is a sunken wall. You can actually flush your wardrobe space inside, making the room more tucked and nice as well. And you do get the beautiful greenery view. At the same time, the owner also installed mosquito netting. At the same time, also invisible grills already throughout the whole house, making it mosquito proof, at the same time child friendly. Alright, follow me into the master bedroom now. You can see the owner did up a very tasteful renovation. Ladies, you'll be very happy to know that there's full-length wardrobe with an L-shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panels of wardrobe space. Ample clothes for you. At the right here, a little dresser table with a mirror. The owner did a very nice touch because there's a little niche down there to put your phones when you're sleeping. At the same time, this is currently a queen size bed. If you want a king size bed, no problem at all. You can expand it up over here. Just the dresser table gotta go, but definitely space cater for it. Ceiling fan with light, aircon all done up. Good thing about it, the owner already invested quite a bit in putting solar film, so all the UV rays and stuff is less hot. Your energy bills also is a bit lesser. Nice part about this ensuite toilet done up very tastefully. Sink with nice mirror, toilet WC, and then a nice shower with a rain shower. So all done up for you, move-in condition, perfect for families that want to move in straight away. Alright, you guys, you'll be pleased to know that Alkaff Oasis, located at Bidadari, is very centrally located. We are just 10 minutes walking distance, fully sheltered to Woodleigh Mall. At the same time also, we are in between where we can walk to Potong Pasir, which takes about 10 minutes as well. For drivers, you are pleased to know that right across Upper Serangoon Road, it gives you easy access to PIE, making connectivity for drivers very easy. Alright, for Alkaff Oasis, you're pleased to know that directly below there's coffee shops, and across the road at Alkaff Lakeview, there is loads of shops such as a salon, clinics and general stuff. But the best part about it is that you're just minutes walk away from Woodleigh Mall, where there's loads of amenities such as a 24 hours fair price, Those are enrichment centers and eateries for all your family to enjoy. Alright parents, you are pleased to know that within 1 km, we are close to 3 prestigious schools: Cedar Primary School, Stella High School, and St. Andrews Junior. And within 1 to 2 km, there are even more schools for you to choose from, such as Bendemeer Primary, Canosovian Catholic, First Toa Payoh, Pei Chin, St. Gabriel's, and Yangzheng Primary School. For international schools, we are just directly a near walking distance to Stanford American International School. Alright guys, we have come to the end of the home tour. If you like what you see, this unit won't be on the market for long. This HDB in such a good location will definitely sell super fast. So, see you guys next time. My name is Charles. I'm going to go Woodley and have my lunch now. See ya! Bye!